this video I would like to show you how you stop losing money by avoiding brutal market conditions in front of your broker's heaven, in front of your price being stuck for the last 30 minutes. Intelligent trader understands that this is the most important moment in your trading. Intelligent trader values times and avoids broker's heavens. This is broker's heaven because price stuck at resistance. But the fact that institutions continue holding positions, the fact that institutions not closing positions, market giving you this nowadays at least 60% of the time. Intelligent trader demands powerful pullback. Intelligent trader does not stare at the screen. This is how you stop wasting time. This is how you stop losing money. If you remain firm by trading with institutions, institutions continue buying every single pullback. So when the pullback remains this worthless and trader stares at the screen for hours, nothing good is possible. Very narrow trading range remains. We knew extremely well that price at resistance, bright red line showing you that. We're only interested in powerful pullback. And if the pullback remains worthless, intelligent trader will not touch the markets. So let me explain to you the crucial preparation before your trading day. This is your most important chart. This is a chart that shows you what institutions do. We identified months in advance institutional support. Let me remind you. This is Dow traders in the month of February. Dow sold off from reversal zone, and in advance we know where institutional support will be. Institutions trading billions of dollars, institutions holding positions for months and years. Weekly chart is the most important institutional chart that intelligent trader understands clearly, with Alpha Fibonacci reversal zones where you can short from top. And if you know where institutional support is, decision point 2, then on Black Thursday, March 23rd, you do not listen to the news. When panic and horror everywhere. You understand? It is institutional support. Turn off the noise. Look to buy at this level. And when buyers step in, you are not surprised. You are very well prepared. And that's what played out from ultimate buy point. Every single time during institutional bearish corrections, when institutions stepped in from decision point 2, identified months in advance. Nothing else on this planet can do this. Alpha Fibonacci can. That's the power and precision of the method. And when powerful pullback will finally play out, that's a gift. It's a beautiful news. We discussed it with students well before we came to the trading room. Pullbacks remain worthless, correct? Very, very weak. Institutions continue buying at ultimate buy points. No matter what chart you trade with institutions and not against them. we demanded powerful pullback, considering bullish rally way overextended. Your ultimate buy point was at 18,000 level. 21,000 was beautiful. 24,000 was lovely. This is painful. So when this plays out in front of you, again and again and again, you are not surprised. You are very well prepared. Software tells you everything in advance. Junky bearish pullbacks remain. Very few gems are present. This brutal market's here to stay until institutions will start closing positions. You better be prepared, because extreme volatility will start again. So when market starts crashing 3, 4, 5,000 points, you will be well prepared. You saved your energy. You are not staring at junk. You are not wasting your time on brokers' heaven. You understand what institutions do, buying everything. But this buy point is not as good as this one. Yesterday's buy point was even better. Let me remind you, after this trade, did we know or did we know that this is key support? Of course, way in advance. Boom. Since March 23rd, intelligent trader been riding stunning institutional bullish trade. During this crisis, intelligent trader learned very powerful lesson. Only if you turn off the noise, only if you stop thinking as majority does, you will become powerful, successful trader. Because top 1% just became 25% richer, buying the bottom with institutions. And what you're witnessing in front of you is no surprise. That's been the case since March 23rd. Bullish rally remains as expected. There is no surprise. Institutions not closing their longs. Institutions keep adding to their positions. And when those flawless bullish trades are present, intelligent trader choosing gems very carefully. Let me remind you why yesterday was much better. This morning price is hanging for TR Live. We're extremely high. My goodness, this is extremely aggressive trading. If I convert this chart to 2 or 3 or 5, or any chart you choose to trade, this is the market, traders. In front of you. We're extremely high. But if I squeeze this chart and I take you down memory lane to yesterday, this was stunning. We were here, traders, here. And if I convert this chart to 15, this buy point was million times better than this one. There is no comparison. Intelligent trader understands there are no institutional shorts in this market. Intelligent trader never stands in front of institutional trade. And when support remains respected, this confirms institutions continue buying every single pullback. Intelligent trader is not driven by lucky point. Intelligent traders strategizing very carefully. And if you choose your long, you're moving your stop outside of break even. This is crucial, critical moment. It never gets old, I promise. It is that simple. And that's pure price for entry and proprietary Alpha Fibonacci strategies. You will never need anything else, no matter what instrument you trade. Euro hanging for dear life, also frozen. Stock for the last 2 weeks. Bullish rally overextended, doing identical thing as S&P, as Dow, S and Q. This is long-term chart. Amazon is frozen. Stock for the last 6 weeks. This was ultimate buy point. This was second best. Identical bright pink line where buyers stepped in from on Dow yesterday. Intelligent trader not buying Amazon into this brick wall. Intelligent trader understands Amazon in bearish correction. What to do with your position? You must know the rules. But Dow does exact same thing right now in front of you as Amazon weekly. Did we know or did we know that this would be a problem? Of course. In overextended rallies, you must obey bright pink line. There is a very good reason why it is so bright pink. When I worked in Johns Hopkins research, I saw the power of colors on human brain. In overextended rallies, this level never ever to be ignored. That's it. Market is Alpha Fibonacci puzzle. And that's in front of you every single day. But here's another reminder of the power of Alpha Fibonacci strategies. When Apple comes out in the worst earnings in 2015, and Apple hit crucial Alpha Fibonacci support, I present at hedge fund convention. I state, if this support is respected, worst earnings in 13 years does not mean a thing. Apple doubles in value. 2 years later, reaches bright pink line, where Apple was frozen for months, until Apple had higher. And when Apple crashed, it reached the bottom 140 level. All in advance, never ever after the fact. You decide what you want to trade. When broker's heaven remains, stop wasting time. With Alpha Fibonacci system, even during the worst times, you are dealing with markets with precision. So here are my incredible students, killing it in the worst market conditions. Light trading 70% out of SR&E. Trailing stop triggered, pocketed 6% on SMTC. 2 days hold, took off our ETL 29% after 10-day hold. Added 50% to a position for multi-swing trade. Killing it on XLM 41%, 86 for 86 trades. Phenomenal work. There are very few gems. So as we're joking with Ken, he lost the count as traders reminding him 86 for 86 was yesterday. I will remind you the movie you can see on the website that Ken has made. Phenomenal job. It's actually 87 for 87. Incredible work, everyone. Excellent, excellent comment. One of our students left medical practice and started his own hedge fund trading crypto with Alpha Fibonacci System. Jennifer, amazing, phenomenal job. 2 little babies at home. Emmanuel's wife. Emmanuel brought his best friend and his wife to the course. Stunning, flawless. Love, love, love the comment. Fibs are all. Boom. If you're using anything else, it's afterthought. Nothing else will ever give you this much precision and this much power. Boom. You decide what you want to trade. Choice is yours. Any instrument, any account, any platform. No software required. If you decide to trade with software on Ninja 8, even easier work. As you can see, we have incredible community. We have positive, powerful traders. You become who you swim with. Ask yourself, who is next to you? Is that person positive? Is that person powerful? Is that person taking responsibility for her own trading? That's what it's all about. You're in charge of your trading account. Boom. Excellent work. Emmanuel. Sharing. Practicing. On NQ, 86 points. If JP Morgan traders must practice before they trade live, that's what intelligent trader does. Preparation prevents poopy performance. As you saw clearly, the power of trading with institutions and not against them. In front of you, Alpha Fibonacci support remains respected. Anyone surprised should not be. This is the power of this system. It doesn't matter what you trade. Do you trade crypto? Do you trade stocks? Do you trade options? Do you trade futures? Do you trade Forex? Students trade it all over the world since 2011. And that's the core of the system. Preparation prevents poopy performance. Simple and brilliant. I love it. Allah's teaching is ridiculous. If we just listen to what she teaches, we will be millionaires in less than a year. Absolutely. With long-term vision, with your effort. That's the plan. Millionaires. That is only the beginning. Think huge. Absolutely. Let me remind you what Scott has done on futures before jumping to stocks. As Jennifer shares, you protect us every step of the way. Means the world. Thank you so much. You are very, very kind. Ken, Jennifer, Scott, Emmanuel. Thank you, Adnan. Thank you, everyone. So this is Scott's performance a couple of weeks ago on stocks. This is Scott's performance months before on futures. As you can see, in 1 week from 100,000 to 2.6 million. But if I go to another email, another week, my goodness, Look what's happening, 4.3. Boom. And that's breathtaking, spectacular work by traders who make an effort. If these traders can do it, so can you. You will never, ever, ever need anything else. The only thing you have to do, make an effort, as these traders do. Very few spaces left with the biggest discount ever. Once this discount is gone, it will no longer be available. $2,000 off each package. Everything available in front of you on our homepage. With podcasts and movies from our students that you see in this trading room this morning. Our legend 14-year-old Dominic on very long vacation. You can listen to traders' podcasts that you saw in front of you. You can view the movie Ken made about his life, his performance. You can see Scott's journey, Brad's journey. Options available on their homepage. Live course with or without software. Method had been available without software since 2011. Software for Ninja 8 came out in 2019. Private mentoring, I have only one spot. We speak first, and I decide if I can accept you as my student. As few of our students on very well deserved vacation. All group courses, video library modules included. So after you listen to podcast, after you review the information, if you have any questions for me, do not hesitate to call me. Simply pick up the phone or call or send me an email 925-257-4298. Thank you, traders. Be very, very careful in these markets. And when gem is present, do what these traders do. If you can do this in this brutal market, imagine what you will do when markets are easy. That's it. Absolutely phenomenal goal with huge, huge visions. Scott never day traded before. He simply made an effort. And so did Ken, and so does Ken, and so does Jennifer Emanuel, and every single trader who aims for very big goals with Alpha Fibonacci system.